In this video called Dolphin Man Found in Her House, Parker and Chester investigate a rental property for Bernice. This time they discover a strange masked figure dubbed the Dolphin Man living inside the supposedly empty unit. The creature or man is found hiding in the unit, creating a tense encounter.
I don't think there's anything in here, dude.
Yo, what's that, dude?
Hey guys, welcome to Life of Luxury. This is our new channel. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, Life of Luxury. We'll be uploading all of our new content here a day before we upload it to Luxury Pranks. This is our new channel, so make sure to subscribe to see all of our new videos a day in advance. For this episode, we received an email from a girl who believes someone or something has been living in one of her family's properties. Her name is Bernice and her family owns a few houses. One of these houses is supposed to be empty, but the neighbors have been complaining about loud screaming noises coming from it at night. So for today, we invited Bernice here to talk about it. Hey Bernice, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you. So this is the famous luxury prank set?
Yeah, famous. I don't know about that. So let's sit down and talk about your situation, okay?
Okay.
So tell us what's going on.
So my parents own a few houses that they usually rent out. One of these houses is located in a dangerous neighborhood, so we haven't been able to rent it out for over a year.
Is the house in good shape?
Yeah, it's in good shape, but no one wants to rent it. It's also next to a mental hospital, which makes it even harder to rent.
Oh my God. So the people who live next to this house have been hearing noises at night. Is that right?
Yeah, so for about a month now, my parents have been getting calls from the neighbors about some screeching noise that's been coming from there.
Why don't they just call the police?
Well, we tried, but the police won't do anything because it's just a noise. There's not enough evidence, and they wanted us to check it out, but personally, I don't want to get involved in that.
Okay, so just give us the keys and we'll head over there tonight and check it out and we'll see what's going on.
Okay, just be careful.
Yeah, we will. We're professionals. Okay, so we just left. It's a little bit after 2 in the morning right now. How far away is this place?
25 more miles away.
All right. Alright, so we're pulling up to the place now. Bernice was right, this is not a nice neighborhood at all. I think we're ready to go when you're ready.
Ready, spaghetti?
I think that's it. Where's the lights? I don't think anyone paid the electricity bill. There's nothing in here, dude. What is that? Paint? Okay, whatever. How big is this place? Bro, there's nothing in here. Let's check over here.
How long are we gonna wait here?
What?
How long are we gonna wait here, dude?
Oh, let's check over here. I don't think there's anything in here, dude.
Yo, what's that, dude? Dude, yo, get out! Yo. Get see. To my car. Let's go!
What was that?
We gotta go. He might follow us. Let's go.
So that's what we saw. What'd you think about that?
That was f***ing horrifying.
Yeah, honestly, we have no idea what that was either. But we went to the police station and we showed them the footage, so it's in their hands now. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Remember, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. This is our new channel that we'll be uploading all of our new content to a day in advance before we upload it to Luxury Pranks. So please make sure to subscribe.